Hey RC enthusiasts! Welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures. I'm Michael Rice, and today we've got another awesome product release for you. The long-awaited successor to the original DC1 has finally arrived, the R1 Wurks DC1.2 drag car kit. This beast is packed with the latest parts and enhancements designed to help you cross the finish line first. First off, let's talk about the optimized carbon fiber chassis. This thing is not only strong, but incredibly lightweight, giving you the perfect balance between durability and speed. And check out the drop-down wheelie bar bracket. It's a game changer for stability during those high-speed runs. We've also got a motor mount support and a left-side adjustable motor support wedge, giving you the flexibility to tweak and fine-tune your setup for optimal performance. And this adjustable front bumper, it's all about precision and control on the drag strip. The R1 Wurks DC1.2 features an aluminum gearbox with a 2.6:1 ratio, drag race specific CVA drive shafts, and pinned rear wheel hexes for that extra bit of reliability and power transfer. It's also got a sealed, hard-coated aluminum gear differential and lightweight aluminum rear shock tower, but these are just a few of the premium components that make this kit stand out from the competition. Adjustable steel camber and steering link turnbuckles and dual battery straps, the list of high-end features goes on and on. And with the flex-tuned wheelie bar and 14 precision ball bearings, you're looking at a setup designed for winning. Of course, to complete this kit, you'll need a few additional components like a 10th scale electric motor, an electronic speed control, a 2S LiPo battery, a 2-channel RC car surface transmitter system, and some drag race specific tires and wheels. But once you've got everything in place, you'll be ready to dominate the drag strip. And don't forget, having the right tools is crucial. You'll need hex drivers, hex socket drivers, a hobby knife, body scissors, and a body hole reamer to get this kit assembled perfectly. So there you have it, folks. The R1 Wurks DC1.2 drag car kit, a must-have for any serious RC drag racer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to RRC Remote Adventures for more fresh RC content every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the drag strip.